With the uncontrolled buzz about cryptocurrency, there's no way out than to study it in detail and understand the ins and outs. We often hear the word mining regarding crypto and digital coins. The mining of crypto, such as Bitcoin mining, is creating new units of the currency. The mining of digital coins limits the double spending of the currency. It means that no one can make a fake copy of the coin and send it to the merchants. Hence, in this way, the legitimacy of Bitcoin transactions is retained. If you are new to the crypto space, wanting to know the process of Bitcoin mining, allow us to walk you through its extensive explanation. So let us start this. What do we know about Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is a complicated operation that involves the creation of new Bitcoins and enhancing their circulation in the market. The transactions are verified after the computer solves extremely critical math puzzles, which improves the credibility of the transaction. The computer systems are equipped with specialized chips that compete to solve the mathematical puzzle. The first computer to solve the puzzle is rewarded with the next block of Bitcoins. After Bitcoin was launched, the mining took place via regular central processing units, CPUs, and desktop computers. The process couldn't be any slower. At the moment, Bitcoin mining is recurring through mining pools that consume massive amounts of electricity and strain the environment and non-renewable resources. The operation faces controversy due to its non-environment friendliness nature. How does Bitcoin mining work? Bitcoin mining works in mysterious ways, and it is essential that we easily understand them. As with gold mined from the earth using heavy machinery and implants, Bitcoin mining is successfully worked upon through big systems that act as data centers. The systems are expected to solve complicated mathematical puzzles issued by the algorithm of Bitcoin. As far as the computer hardware is concerned, one has to get hands on application-specific integrated circuits, ASICs, that cost up to $10,000. These circuits consume a large amount of electricity that welcomes criticism from the environmental groups and limits miners' profit-making ability. As the computational math problems are solved, the transactions are verified and trustworthy. Hence, when a miner can add a block to the blockchain, the 6.25 Bitcoins reward is offered. However, keeping in view the volatility of Bitcoin, it is difficult for miners to know their payment's worth whenever they receive it. After the Bitcoin transactions are added into blocks, they are added to a database. The database is known to us as a blockchain. The nodes in the Bitcoin's network keep the blockchain record and then verify the transactions that are occurring on it. In addition to rewards, the miners are presented with transaction fees. After the Bitcoin has reached 21 million, they are awarded fees for processing the transactions often paid by the network users. How to initiate Bitcoin mining? Initiating Bitcoin mining comes up with various operations that need to be ensued. Without them, mining would be neither successful nor profitable. For once, the miner should have a wallet where all the rewards would go. A wallet is an online account that allows you to store and accept Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Secondly, you would need mining software. The market is filled with a wide range of providers that can be effortlessly downloaded, and running them on Windows and Mac is easy. After that, you are suggested to connect the mining software with the hardware and mine Bitcoin. Thirdly, computer hardware would be needed, which is the most expensive requirement. With a powerful computer, you would need enormous amounts of electricity. Therefore, keep your hands full with the need to mine Bitcoin successfully. Economics of Bitcoin mining. Understanding and calculating the cost incurring in Bitcoin mining is crucial as it helps compare it with the profits. Bitcoin mining is a business venture like any other idea where profits and operating costs have to be calculated. The section spins around the economics of Bitcoin mining. The network speeds do not offer much progress to the Bitcoin mining operation. However, it is important that the connectivity is stable and is offered 24/7 without any interruptions. Moreover, the network should offer latency from the mining pools present nearby. Going offline might not stop the process of syncing transactions, but it sure does put a strain on the resources. Secondly, mining systems should be strong enough to carry out such a powerful operation. As mentioned above, ASIC systems are used. They are customized machines solely built for Bitcoin mining. These systems range from $4,000 to $12,000 and still generate less than a single Bitcoin. Thirdly, electricity is responsible for 90% of Bitcoin mining. The availability of electricity should be 24/7 so that the mining systems are powered. A substantial bill is established, which is too expensive, especially if you are new to the business. Concluding remarks. The true apprehension and the process and knowledge of the economics of Bitcoin mining is important to be a part of the process. The discussion explained how Bitcoin mining works and what you should expect in terms of profit that will prove to be workable and helpful for you in the long run.